Is EQ Bank a real bank? You've probably seen the ads. High-interest savings accounts, no fees, all online. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what a lot of people think about EQ Bank. But is it legit? Can you really trust your hard-earned money with a digital-only bank? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. In a world flooded with fintech startups and traditional banks desperately trying to keep up, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. How do you know who to trust with your money? And more importantly, what does it even mean to be a real bank? We're used to brick-and-mortar institutions with tellers, vaults, and those fancy marble floors. But times are changing. We're doing more and more online, shopping, banking, even ordering groceries. So, why shouldn't our money be part of this digital revolution? EQ Bank is what's known as a digital bank. It operates entirely online, without physical branches. But don't let that fool you. Just because it doesn't have a shiny lobby doesn't mean it's not secure or reliable. So, is EQ Bank a real bank? Technically, yes. It's a subsidiary of Equitable Bank, which is a fully fledged, federally regulated bank in Canada. That means it's subject to the same rules and regulations as any other bank. Your deposits are insured by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, just like your money would be in a traditional bank. But let's talk about what that really means. CDIC insurance protects your deposits up to $100,000. So, if something goes wrong with the bank, you're covered. It's like an insurance policy for your money. Now, you might be wondering, if EQ Bank is just a digital front for a traditional bank, why bother? Why not just stick with your old school bank? Well, that's where the magic of digital banking comes in. EQ Bank offers higher interest rates on savings accounts compared to most traditional banks. It's a no-brainer if you're looking to make your money work harder for you. And let's not forget about convenience. No more waiting in line at the bank. You can manage your money from anywhere with an internet connection. You can transfer funds, pay bills, and check your balance on the go. It's banking on your terms. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While EQ Bank offers some great perks, it also has limitations. For example, if you prefer face-to-face interactions with a bank teller, you're out of luck. You also might miss out on some of the additional services offered by traditional banks, like investment advice or in-person financial planning. So, is EQ Bank right for you? It depends on your needs and preferences. If you value convenience, high interest rates, and don't mind managing your finances online, EQ Bank could be a great option. However, if you prefer a more traditional banking experience or need access to a physical branch, you might want to stick with a traditional bank. Ultimately, the best way to decide if EQ Bank is right for you is to do your own research. Compare its offerings to other banks and see which one aligns best with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.